Good day, everyone. Clinton Maloba again here. Now, I welcome you guys to this channel, which is Clinton Maloba Show. Now, this channel will every day, talk about the forex markets. The forex markets, where we talk about everything. We don't hide anything. There are no secrets. That's the good thing about the forex markets. There are no secrets in the forex industry. So what we do here, we do offer you guys forex signals. We do offer forex signals daily. We give from 1 to 3 signals daily, proper, highly analyzed signals. Those that we are sure of. So now in the group, guys, we only want people to pay once every year. So you only pay once each and every year. Meaning you're gonna pay a once-off fee when you enter, and then it's gonna last for the whole year up until the end of this year. Now that once-off fee is $100. For $100, you can get into the. Remember, the reason why it's so low is because you are not the reason for us to be making money. We don't want to make money out of you. We want to make money out of the forex markets. We don't want you to get an idea of you now paying every month so that we can get rich using your money. No. We want you to get into the group, feel comfortable for the whole year. We don't really care about anything else except helping you. So we've made it a once-off payment fee. It is not renewable. Of course, you can renew it if you still wanna join us the following year, which is 2023. We are now into 2022. We want you to pay once, then it's gonna last for the whole year. Then, guys, I want you to understand something. When you are in the group, we are going to send you every newcomer in the group is sent a PDF format where now you must read everything. It's a document where you must read everything that is in the documents. The document has got all the rules and regulations of the group, how we want you to behave in the group, how we want your account to be in the group, how we want you to act upon every signal sent in the group. Now in the group, guys, we have only one administrator, which is me, meaning I'm the only person who's going to be sending their signals. We don't have like many people. We have got one person who's be sending signals in the group. We want you guys to be able to make money and not complain about anything. For like, I've got a wrong signal. So if you guys got a wrong signal, what is normal in every group to have a wrong signal there and there, right? But I want you to know who to blame. You understand? I want you to blame me so that makes me grow as well. It makes me become a better analyst, better trader, a better signal provider, and a better everything in the forex market. Now, I want you guys to focus on something here. This group is meant to change your life. How? Investment wise. So you are going to invest in yourself. You don't invest in me. I don't want your money. You invest in yourself, your account, your own account. So when you have your own account, there are two things you must know how to do. You must know how to open a trade and close a trade. That's it. Everything else, I will handle it. You must know how to open and close the trades. That's it. Then everything else, I will handle it. Now, in the group, guys, I want you to focus on growing that small account. Everything that we send in the group, focus on splitting that small account, growing that small account. Whether it's a big account, it doesn't matter. You grow it, and then whether you want to chop it down in like monthly withdrawals, that is up to you. But I would prefer that you grow that account for the whole year. Then you can see their progress. You can see the progress at the end of the year. Are you telling me that you're not going to make money in the group for the whole year? Is that what you're telling me? There is just no way. It's impossible. So I want you guys to get into the group. We only pay $100, which is equivalent to 1.5 in South African rands. 1.5, yeah, that's nothing. For the whole year, it's nothing. Definitely nothing. You can divide that 1.5 into 12. You will see that it's actually nothing per month. So we don't accept per month, but we only accept once-off payment of $100, which is 1.5. So that's it, guys. I want you guys to be in a position of making money. This is the year where we believe that your life is actually going to change. I know that you've had yearly resolutions every year when they start. I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. But this time around, guys, I am giving this resolution to you for free. I am giving it to you. I want you to make money. At the end of the year, I want you to have a lot of money in your hands than ever before. You know, you've been changing signal providers, you've been changing mentors throughout the year, throughout your whole trading career. Now is the time to stick to one. Now is the time to stick to one, guys. I want to show you something that you've never seen in your life. Join the group, guys. All you gotta do, go to this website. I'm not sure if you can see. You go to this website. This is the website. This is where you can make the purchase. This is the website. You go to the website, and then what do? You go there, you go to services, you will see where it says 2022 VIP signals. That's where you're gonna be clicking. Then you follow through with the procedure of the payment. After making the purchase, guys, if it doesn't take you automatically to the group of joining, the link of joining the group, if it doesn't automatically take you there, all you gotta do, you gotta contact me via Instagram or WhatsApp. I prefer Instagram. The reason why I prefer Instagram is because on Instagram I'm always there, because that's where I do like video calls and all that. So if you send me the proof of payment after making the purchase, and then I'll be adding you in the group myself. No problem at all. Nothing. So that's how it goes, guys. Perfect. Now, guys, you have a great day. Remember, stay subscribed to the group. I mean to the channel. You can stay subscribed to the group if you want, but also make sure that you click that subscribe button down below just to stay alert on every time I post a new video, because that's how you can get the notifications on your phone telling you that I've dropped a new video. So that's how it goes, guys. Let's meet in the other side. Cheers, peace, and take care.